These vegetarian pizza bagels are quick, delicious, and infinite possibilities because guess what? It's pizza. You can put whatever you like on top. So let's get started first with a really quick homemade sauce. All you need is some passata, which are strained tomatoes, where I've added some minced garlic, some oregano, some chili flakes, olive oil, and salt. Now, you should ideally mix this and let it sit so the flavors can melt together in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes at the very least. The next day, the sauce is even better. And then it's just a question of slicing your bagels in half. This is how I do it. And if you're wondering how I get the slices so perfect, it's just lots of practice. I have in the past made so many blunders with slicing bagels where they were all uneven, but it's all tasty when made pizza style over here. So don't worry if you can't get it right. So just place your sliced bagels on a baking sheet, raise it up with a wire rack, and then go ahead and apply your sauce. Just go around, be generous with it. I quite enjoy sauce. Plus the bagels are kind of fat, so you want to put a bit extra sauce to compensate for all that bread that's in there. Now I'm going to cover that hole, the center part of the bagel, with some provolone cheese. That helps protect the toppings from falling through, but also creates this nice cheesy center when the bagels are done pizzafying. Then I'm putting some mozzarella cheese on top, and then with the toppings that I felt like putting on today, which included some sliced red onions, some poblano pepper rings, and then a couple of cherry tomatoes. I put a bit more mozzarella on top to protect the ingredients from over charring. Now how I like to bake these bagels is on an oven that's been preheated. Now how I like to bake these bagels, now how I like to finish these pizza bagels is to have an oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then once it's hot, just turn the broiler on full blast and melt the cheese while getting the edges of the bagels very slightly crispy. If you want the actual bagel, the underside, to be crispy as well, then you can bake it for the first 5 to 10 minutes and then turn on the broiler once the right toastiness level has been reached in the bagel, just so you can brown the cheese and finish cooking that top. This is how you make some amazing vegetarian pizza bagels, and there's so much you can put on it. You can go Hawaiian style, put some pineapples on here, but I would put tomato slices. You can finish it with some fresh arugula. You can add some sauteed spinach on top. I just finished it with some small hand-torn pieces of basil. Make these veg pizza bagels your own, and if you want to check out one of my other pizza bagels recipe that seems to be very popular with all of you, check out my pepperoni pizza bagels. I'll see you all on the next one, and happy 2025.